doing, nigger? Die. Are you that stupid? Apparently.
Yes. Watch the flip here. We're going in.
Yeah, I'm waiting for them to spawn on this side so I can just kill them and spawn. Our blueberries are almost as stupid as the others.
They don't.
It's close.
They're just.
Oh, missed him.
We do
Oh, there's another guy, you shithead. Here you are. Come on.
This game I'm actually better at than the last game.
I'm going down.
Mighty presumptuous of you, Wolf.
Well, it's just easier, man. It's just easier to kill people. For me, it's like going back to Modern Warfare 2. That's like the style.
Oh, shit, I looked the wrong direction. Yeah, Mr. Cheese, who's goddamn just raping the hell out of them.
I wasn't very good at the last, or like...
You have 2 deaths, Cheese.
Like, at times, it was frustrating, man.
Bomb delivered. Gas can up.
I can just run through all this fire. Oh, no, I can't. Not when they're sniping. Oh, you shithead. I'm just saying in their spawn.
Well, it's over now.
Establish UAV.
Kind of a little bit.
Oh, I couldn't find him.
Yeah, I see that.
He like landed on my head.
What the hell? How can I see their footsteps? I didn't think I had that perk on this one. Huh.
Crush them while they're on the defensive.
On your left.
Oh, that might be.
Need eyes overhead.
That could be close. Yeah.
Counter UAV above.
She said,
You
"Oh my
fucked
God,
all
are
of
you
them."
kidding me?"
Yep. Yes.
What is bullshit?
What just happened?
Everything the guild stands for.
Look at that.
Excellent. You know I like a